Welcome to the free dashboard account. In this tutorial, I will go over the tools and features you have access to. I will cover managing programs, the directory, browsing deals, account management, and support. Managing programs. The first place you'll want to go to is the Manage Programs tab you see on the left, then click on the Manage Programs page directly underneath. Here you'll be able to add the programs you manage as well as program details. To add a program, click on the drop-down menu. Begin typing the name of your program. We will use TJ Maxx as an example. Once you find it, click Enter, and then Add on the right. You'll just have to confirm that you want to add this program to your page. After your program has been added, select the Details arrow on the left. Here you'll see a Default tab. This is where you can add information like your contacts, you can do a name and an email. You can add phone and Skype if you'd like to, and then a public commission rate. Once you fill out those fields, click Save at the bottom. We also have some restriction tabs that you are able to add information to. All of this will appear on your directory profile page. It is up to you on whether or not you'd like to fill these out, but it's always good to have extra information. So we have display restrictions, PPC restrictions, email restrictions, social media restrictions. This last tab is pushed deals. This is where premium merchants are able to add deals directly to our feed or send them out to specific affiliates, but that is only available with a premium subscription. Next is the ongoing deals report. So this page shows all the offers we have in our feed for your program that does not include an expiration date. We've included this report as an easy way to see your evergreen links so you can let us know if anything needs to be updated or removed. If anything needs to be fixed, you can take that deal ID, send it to support@fmtc.co, and let us know what needs to be changed or if it needs to be removed. Next, we're going to go to the directory. So under the Links and Tools tab, click on Directory. The directory is a place where affiliates can search through all the programs we've integrated and find out more information about each program. We have this available in the publisher's account and also to view publicly. This means you want to fill out your program's details and be sure to keep it updated. To find your program, just type in your program's name into the search box. We'll do TJ Maxx again as an example. Click Submit. Once you see it in the search results, then just click on the program name. On your profile page, you will see basic information. So you can see primary category, the home page, any subcategories we have. We also include the primary country and where it ships to. For publishers, we include the networks that your program is on, as well as a join link. If they click through there, they can go to the network and sign up for your program. The information I mentioned under the Manage Programs tab, those restriction fields, those would all show up under this Program Information tab. So once you fill those out, it will appear here. We also look in the networks for any permissions and restrictions that we can find. If you need any of these changed, you can feel free to let us know and we will update it for you. Publishers are also able to preview your deals, and if you allow deep linking, then they could build a link. If you need us to update this to show that you are supporting deep linking, simply let us know and we will get that updated for you. Alright, so the next thing you could do is you can browse your deals, also underneath the Links and Tools tab. So here you're going to see exactly what affiliates see. Something needs to be changed or updated for a particular deal, then you can scroll down. So say this 40% off men's shirts, you needed a date change or maybe a code added. Then you could click on the Details arrow and then Submit an issue. So a little box will pop up where you can just enter whatever it is that you need to be changed, and then that'll go directly to our support system and we'll get that fixed for you. So you can search by different programs if you have multiple programs in your account. You can search by coupon code, network link ID, or even coupon ID. We also have different search options like primary country, ship to country, or advanced. Publishers typically would use this for, looking for a particular category that they want to offer, even for different holidays. So they'll be able to just kind of search through everything there. Okay, next under account, you are able to go to settings. Here, if you have any information like your contact that you want to fill out, you can put that in here. You could also opt into receiving deals for your particular programs if you'd like to, so you can see what's new in our system. You can add some account context. If you're a premium, you're also able to add a new user to this account, but if you need a sub-account created and you're not premium, feel free to email support@fmtc.co and we could probably set that up for you. Also, if you would like to subscribe to get additional tools and features, you can go to the subscribe tab. So all you would do is select which subscription you would like, depending on if you are a program or just an OPM that manages more than one program. So select which subscription you would like, and then you would scroll down to the bottom, fill out your billing information, credit card, and click submit. Then you'll be all set. Someone will contact you shortly to help you with your premium features. Alright, lastly is support. So in the support tab, you can either submit an issue if there's something that you need help with, like you have an offer that's missing, you have something with billing, or you want to add a merchant to our system. You can just let us know the details and then submit there. You can also take a look at any past or current support tickets. If you had any, they would appear right here. You could look into them. Alright, so that is an overview of our basic account. If you have any other questions regarding your account, please submit a ticket or email support@fmtc.co. Thank you so much and have a great day.